Hi, hello, my dear children. I hope all of you are staying safe. In this session, we are going to continue chapter 11, perimeter and area, and exercise 11.1, sum number 5. The question is, the area of a square park is the same as of a rectangular park. If the side of the square park is 60 meter and the length of the rectangular park is 90 meter, find the breadth of the rectangular park. So what's the meaning of the question? We have two parks and the shape of one park is a square and the shape of the other park is a rectangle. And it is given the area of both parks are the same. Okay, when we compare the area of the two parks, they are same. And it is also given the side of the square park is 60 meter and the length of the rectangular park is 90 meter. Using these informations, three informations. Okay, one is the area of the square park and the rectangular park are same. The another one is the side of the square is given and the length of the rectangle is given. So using these three informations, we have to find the breadth of the rectangular park. Okay children, how to find? The side of the square park is 60 meter. Okay, so all the sides will be 60 meters, 60 meters, 60 meters, 60 meters. So using this, we can be able to find the area of the square. So what's the formula for finding the area of the square? Side into side. That is A into A square. Isn't it children? So we will be getting the area of the square park. First step. So, if this is, suppose you take, when you multiply 60 into 60, we will get 3600 meter square. So, both have the same area. So, the area of this park is also 3600 meter square. So, first step over. Second step, using that 3600 meter square and 90, we can find the breadth. Second step. What's the formula for finding the area of a rectangle? Length into breadth, isn't it? So, using those three, formula, area and length, we can find the breadth. That's all, two steps. Now, let us move to the first step. Side of the square park is 60 meter and therefore area is equal to side into side or A into A. That is equal to, this is equal to A. 60 meter into 60 meter. That is equal to 3600 meter square. You know how to multiply. This is 6 into 10, 6 into 10. So first you multiply these 6 6 are 36. 10 tens are 100. So we are adding 2 zeros. Is it clear children? Now the first part over. Now the second part. Area of the rectangular park is equal to area of the square park. If you write square also, it's okay. Square park. What is the area of the rectangular park? Length into breadth. The formula, you write the formula. Length into breadth is equal to 3600 meter square. And you are given the length. So in the place of length, you write 90 meter. So 90 meter into breadth is equal to 3600 meter square. Now we have to find only the breadth. So keep the B in the left hand side and transpose this 90 into the right hand side. So here 90 into multiplication. So when it is transferred to the other side, it will be of division operation. So 3600 meter square by 90 meter. Meter square is what? Then write. So cancel this 0 and 0. That means what? You are dividing the numerator and the denominator by 10. So you have only 360. So you can divide this 360 by 9. It goes in 36 4 times and 0. Okay. So 40 meter. How are you getting meter? Meter square is what? Meter into meter. So when you divide meter into meter by meter, 1 meter will get cancelled. You will have only meter. Is it clear, children? Meter square means what? Meter into meter. If you divide by meter, meter and meter will get cancelled. So only meter will be left. So you are getting 40 meter. That's all. So the answer is breadth. Breadth of the is equal to 40 meter. That's all. I think you might have understood this sum. Isn't it, children? Thank you, children. God bless you all. Stay safe.